pronoun. Sounds like English grammar, right? Okay, pronoun is for what? That's right. Instead of noun, so we can use pronoun. That's right. Like I. Oh, I is the first one I can think of. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so we can say like I means, hey, let me use this one. How about that? I love you. See? Things like that. The first one, I, is subjective form, right? Okay, so we call this one subjective form. Subjective. Okay, so I'm going to write S-U-B-J. Okay, what about this one? You or him? I love him. I love you. I love her. Okay, things like that. That's the one objective form. So, object. I'm going to write just like this. O-B-J. Objective. What about the middle? Oh, that's big action right there. So V, because this one is a verb, right? Okay, so now that's why we have a few different shapes of pronouns. Okay, let me write I first. How about that? Very important, right? I. Okay, so I. Then what's the next one? Then usually you remember I, my. Oh. What about me? Oh, you love me. Okay, things like that. What about next one? Oh, mine. You heard about it, right? Okay, so mine. So I, my, me, mine. Oh, that's very important. So we're going to call this one, the first one, that's right, subjective form. Okay, just like this. Okay, what about my? That means you own something, possessive. See? Oh, see? You own something. What about me? Objective form, right? Oh. What about the last one? Oh, that's mine. That means nobody can touch it. So that's why we call it absolute. See? Oh, absolute possessive. Oh, man. Very interesting. You gotta practice this one like a song. You know what I mean? Sing a song. Like I, my, me, mine. You. Oh, you. Your. That's right. Okay. Your. You. I love you. Okay. So, yours. Oh, very interesting. Now, what about, oh, lady first. Okay. She. Her. That's right. Her. Then, what about objective form? I love her. That's right. That's right. It's the same thing right there. What about absolute? Okay, which is, oh, this is hers. Okay, so hers. That's it. Oh, what about he? Oh, man. So he, his. This is his money. Things like that. What about I love him? Oh. What about the last one? This is his. What about it? Okay, it's. Okay, it's. No apostrophe. If you put apostrophe like the it's, then it means it is. Okay, so hey, don't get confused. What about the object? That's right, it. I love it. Things like that. Okay, the last one, we don't have absolute possessive for that. What about the plurals? So many people talking about I. Oh, that means, all right. So, we, we, our, us, ours. Very important. Now, what about, oh, you? Oh, that's the same thing, so plural. Okay, what about she, he, it? Oh, they. Okay, so they, their, them. What about the absolute possessive? That's right, theirs. Theirs. Okay, what about who? Oh, so do you know who? Okay, that's right. Whose? Whose? Whose pencil? Whose money? Whose pen? Okay, things like that, right? Okay, what about objective form? Whom? Whom? What about the last one, the absolute possessive, which is, that's right, the same as possessive, right? Whose? Okay, whose is this? That's it. Okay. Whose pen is this? Okay, that's different, right? Okay, who, whose, whom, whose. Oh, sounds good, just like a song. Okay. Oh, what about the next one? Okay, what about which? Oh, which. So, what about, ooh, wait a minute, possessive form of non-living things. That's right. That's what we use of. We have to put of, right? Of which. Okay? But remember, this one, we can borrow whose. Okay, whose is actually for the living things. Okay, but we can use this one for this one. Okay, only possessive form. Okay, then what about this one? Which? So, okay, things like that. But this one has no absolute possessive. All right. Okay, so now, what about? Okay, so we have living things and non-living things. We're talking about here relative pronoun. Okay, pronoun, but relative pronoun. So we can put two sentences together. Okay, so let's put these two sentences together. Okay, this is one sample. Okay, what about last night I met him? Okay, you were talking about him, maybe before, whatever. Okay, then, yep, the first thing, so we notice that, okay, him and this him is the same thing, right? So second sentence, him is objective form, see? Okay, that's why you gotta erase this one. Then you gotta use, him means human. That's why we gotta use who, family, right? Okay, who, then, okay, we can use whom. Then we can put this one in between two sentences. Okay, whom right there, see? Whom. Just like that. Okay, because of the first one right here, so we're going to pick up which one, who or which, things like that. But depends on the last one which is the objective form. That's why we pick up objective form. Okay, so last night I met him. Okay, whom you were talking about. See? Oh, that's it. Instead of who and which, okay, we can use also, okay, that. Oh, man. That, we have no possessive form, okay. Then, that, oh, I love that. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's objective form. Okay, no absolute possessive. So far, we were talking about common pronouns, okay. So next time, we're going to talk about very special, okay, especially relative pronouns, okay, like what, okay, so things like that. What about this sentence? She is smarter than him. Oh, man, big mistake, right? Okay, a lot of people say, oh, that's not me. Oh, no, that's not I. Okay, just like this one, okay, she is subjective form, right? Just right here, subject. Now, when you compare something, you gotta compare the same thing. So you must use subjective form for this one. He. That's right. That's why, okay, she is smarter than he, not him. You cannot compare dollar and cent. Oh, I have 10 cents, and then you have only $5. I have double. No. You cannot do that, see? You gotta use the same units or the same, shapes, okay? Okay, sometimes somebody broke maybe glass, whatever. Okay, then who broke it? Then, oh, not me. Oh, no, that's not right? So, not I. See? Not I. Because you're not going to say me broke or me not broke. Okay, so you're going to say I didn't break it, right? Okay, so things like that. Okay, common sense.